In working on one of my projects, I needed a screwdriver bit for my cordless drill that was longer than a normal. So I'm going to make one. This is a Harbor Freight screwdriver. You get a pack of 6 for free if you go in and buy something. Got a nice set of vice grips to grab a hold of it and stabilize it. So that should hold it. That remains to be seen. If you're not completely comfortable using a grinder like this, don't. Always lay your grinder down, cutting wheel up. So what I've done is cut that off, kind of rounded it a little to maybe get some sharp edges, and filed one side of it flat. That might make it grip better in the drill, might keep it from spinning. Bits are normally square on the back end, but this will work fine. Okay, so if I have to say it, this is going to be hot, so I'm not going to try to grab a hold of it. I'm just going to put it in the chuck. And I think this will work for 1 or 2 screws to go through a long piece of wood. So if you need a longer screwdriver bit, custom make one from an old screwdriver. Actually, it's a brand new screwdriver, but it's a cheap screwdriver. So thanks for watching.